Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How to transfer XDC from your Phantom wallet to a Ledger Nano X, optimized for 2025. Whether you're safeguarding your crypto or just getting started with hardware wallets, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device, some XDC tokens in it, and your Ledger Nano X device set up and updated to the latest firmware. Always double-check that your Ledger is connected via USB and unlocked. Safety is key in the crypto world. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to the XDC asset. Select the amount you want to transfer, then hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is the one from your Ledger Nano X. To find that, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger, since XDC is compatible with it, and go to the Receive function to display your address. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 2. Back in Phantom, paste the Ledger's address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount and fees. With 2025 updates, transaction fees might be lower, but always confirm. Once everything looks good, approve the transaction in Phantom. Step 3. On your Ledger Nano X, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Review the details on the screen. Never trust your computer alone for this. If it all matches, use the buttons to confirm the transaction. Your Ledger will sign it securely. Step 4. Sit tight and wait for the network to confirm the transfer. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on both wallets to ensure it goes through. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, you might need to check your internet connection or restart your devices. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XDC safely. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your seed phrases. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.